Yeah, hi guys. In last class, we discussed about the radio button. So now we will continue from there. So in the same project, I want to discuss something about the SeekBar. So it's a SeekBar is nothing but it is like so it is like what we can say like volume control, brightness increase, like on those places we will use the SeekBar. So how to write that SeekBar we will see here. So I'm writing that SeekBar related code here now. So the SeekBar. So this is a SeekBar. For the SeekBar, I'm giving that match parent, wrap content, ID. So that is at the rate ID. SeekBar. So SeekBar should be like this. So for this, we will give some margin. I will give some margin, some padding. At 5 dp margin and 5 dp padding, I have given for this. Done. Right. Now for this, we will write the listeners here. So to write this listener here, it is little bit different here because it is not a straightforward code. So for this, we have to write some extra thing. We have to write. So that's we will write here. So this is the rating bar listener has completed here, right? So now here we will write the listener for this. So how to write a listener? So that is binding dot. So binding dot. SeekBar dot. SeekBar dot. Set on SeekBar change listener. For this, we will apply this on SeekBar change listener. So I'm applying the on SeekBar change listener. So here it won't create directly. So we have to write extra. Means that listener is not support here directly. So we used to write here. So we used to write here on SeekBar change listener object dot on SeekBar change listener. So on SeekBar change listener. On SeekBar change listener. So this on SeekBar change listener has total 3 methods. So those 3 methods we have to write. So first of all, we have to import this on SeekBar change listener. Right. Once we import, so within this we can write total 3. One is the on progress. So on progress changed. And the next is the on start tracking. The last is the on stop tracking. So there are 3. Right. I have created these 3 lines. Right. So here now what I'll do is so here I want to capture the what is the progress. So that progress I want to capture the progress. What is the progress here? This. So what I'll do here is now just I want to see here where progress. So initially I'll treat this progress as 0. Initially it was 0. Then we will write something value here. So here once we are doing some action. So there here we will write this. So that is the progress equal to. So here also it came progress. So we will change this display progress so that we won't confuse. So display progress is my own keyword. So on top of that, we are writing this display progress here. We are writing that. So display progress equal this progress I have added here. This, right. So when user has stopped that flagging, so here we will capture that. So here like I want to set up this for the text view. So binding dot tv1 dot text. I'm setting this for the text equal to So that is progress. Sorry, display progress, right? We have used that display progress. So display progress dot to string, whatever it is coming, that I'm converting into string. And also I want to show the maximum value here by what is the SeekBar max value. I want to show that also. So that is a SeekBar dot max. What is the maximum value we defined? Default it is 100, but we can change. How to change that also I'll show it now. So that display dot right. I'm running this. Now first we will see this output, then we will discuss the next step for the next thing. So meanwhile, I'll open the visor. So once this visor has loaded, we will see this. So for again this visor, something is happened, we will reinstall that visor again. So hope that whatever the task I have given, anyone done that tasks?
No, sir.
Okay. So it is installing the visor APK in my mobile. Look, it's connected. but still this project is running. Once it is run, we will see. Like normally this SeekBar we will use in few cases, like that is a brightness increment, and next is the volume control these, but majority of the cases simply we can say we cannot use most, because those all are the things which are coming by default from the manufacturer side, right? That's the reason majority of the cases we won't use, but some of the very rare designs, like I use only once in one project, but normally we won't use this progress code, but we suppose we saw the SeekBar, but we supposed to have some idea on that how it will work. That's the reason we are discussing it. So after this here, we will see next step is the like how to add images, that we will discuss in the next step, like how to display the image and how to display image button. So both the things we will discuss later on this. Like some of the image we can download from the web, Google. So then how that we can utilize here, so that we supposed to discuss it. Because whatever the image we downloaded from the Google, that should be with a different size, right? How we can adjust that size as per our this requirement, so that we supposed to see the next few minutes, once this is done we can see that. That is taking too much time. Wait for a minute, it will come. Oh, till it is taking too much time. So how many has started practicing? Anirudh, Rob, you both started, right?
Started, sir.
Yes, sir.
Meanwhile, we'll do one activity. Like, so just now I told, right, image. So let us say I want to download one image. So like I need some app icon. Just I'll search app icon in images. So I supposed to download one image from here. So let us say I want to use this image. So I save this image on somewhere on my system. So it is saving. Yes, I'm saving this image on a desktop. Okay, so that image I cannot use directly. Why? Because so that is a very huge size. So where that image was saved. Okay, it is saved in downloads. So if we go to downloads, so for these kind of images, normally what we will do is there is an online tool is available. So that is app icon generator. So this is the website. I'll share you this website. So in this website, normally we will upload that image. See, I'm uploading that image here. So I'm uploading that image from here. Let us. So from the downloads. Right, so this is the image just now we downloaded. So I'm taking that image. See, this is the very huge size. This much of image we cannot use in our. So here just upload and here select Android 4 types of sizes. Just click on generate. See, once I click on generate, automatically it will download some folder. See, it is downloading that. So it is done. Like once it is done. So go to here. And here this is the download. Here extract this. So once we extract here, so some of the images will be generated here. So on the folder, we can see on the folder, there are multiple images. So one is the app icon. See, this is the app icons. See here, Android separate folder has created and the other is separate assets for iOS. So this is the App Store icon and this is the Play Store icon. This is the App Store icon. So both it is created here. This. Now from here, I'm picking this Android. So in this Android again here, there are 5 types of different icons are created here, right? So first I'm taking this HDP icon. So copy this icon. So just I copied this icon and I'm going to the project. So in our project here, now I supposed to paste that image in a resources. So in a resources, so where we will paste in a bitmap, right? So in a bitmap, I supposed to paste that image. So here I'm right clicking on here and I'm pasting that image here. So I'm pasting that. So just I have pasted that image. So once I have pasted that image, so it is asking that which resolution. So which resolution we selected here now. So this is the HDPI. So you here also you can select this HDPI. Right, I have selected HDPI. Then you can change this name. So just I'm taking this name as the test. So I have added the test. See now in a bitmap. So in a bitmap, so there is a HDPI image has created here, right? Then after this, now, so I go back to this next level. So that is HTTPI2, and next that is MDPI or something. So MDPI. So just I copied this MDPI, and again I'm going back to this project here, and I have pasted the image here. Again I have pasted this image. So once I have pasted here, now we supposed to select here MDPI, and here you can give the name as a same, right? That is a test. So test, see here. Now the folder will be created here. See, with the test, 2 folders will be created here, right? And a similar way, we supposed to add the next images. Like here, XHDPI means what is the meaning of this HDPI? Density per pixel. So based on the screen resolution, automatically what is the resolution is suitable for the specific device. With that, it automatically creates that. See here, 3 images as pasted here, right? 2 more images we have. So those also we can paste here. So I have copied this image. So again, I have pasting this image, paste. So that is a double X, right? Double X, we paste this test. So I have pasted that in a double X. And the last one more it is. So that is last one more. So that we can copy this. So we can copy the last triple X. So copy this triple X image and we will paste here. So that total. So with the different 5 sizes of this, it is created here, this. Right, so it is created here like this, done. So total 5 images. Okay. So now meanwhile we will see this already. It is run this in ready in my mobile. See now, this is a SeekBar, right? In a SeekBar, see here whatever. Oh, it is closed here. Why it is closed? We supposed to check here. So in case whenever we are running the application, if it is closed, we supposed to check that in logcat. We supposed to check that in a logcat. So in a logcat here, so always the error start with fatal exception. So I searched with the fatal. So in a fatal exception, what is the error? Then operation implemented on start tracking AT not it. So something in a listener side there is an issue. So we will see here. Whatever we've written here, is it fine or we have to do something else? So on SeekBar change listener, on progress, on start tracking listener, we not done anything. It is clear. But what is the issue it is showing here in this? So on track starting touch. So that is an operation is not implemented, not AndroIndian on start tracking touch. KT 42. Okay, it is expecting something. So I remove this. Again, I'm running. We will see now. Means there is a default line we left. That's the reason it is showing an error. So now we will see that. So once it is done, we will see this output. So meanwhile here, like so images, right? We copied this images. So in this images, let's see here, what is the resolution of each image? See here, this is the 72 by 72. And next is this is the 48 by 48. So this is the 96 by 96. And this is the 144 by 144 and 192 by 192. Means if any resolution of the image, if we set, so that can be suitable, means any resolution of the mobile or tab, we can run our application, that can be set automatically. So that's the reason it is coming like this, right? So now, so also supposed to display here one image, like how to display image. So that while running this, we will write that image view also here. Now I supposed to add here one image view. So I'm adding an image view. So image view also like similar, whatever we done the other components, like similar it is image view. So for the image view also it has some height and width, right? So we will give height and width for this. So also it has some ID, right? So ID, then we have to give the image source for this image source. So that is I'm giving that Android SRC. So that SRC will define the source of the image. So that is Android colon SRC equal to. So where is that? At the rate mipmap. So in a mipmap we have, right? So from the mipmap, I'm accessing that. So mipmap, I test this image I supposed to display here. So even this also, even this width also, I supposed to change this. Otherwise, it will be displayed as a center. Otherwise, now it will come left like this here. So if it is match parent, so that image can be adjusted center. Also, I'll give that margin and padding for also this. So that it will create some space with the different components. So here I'm giving some space like this, right? Some margin and some space like this it is displayed here. So similar way, I can create one more instead of image view. I'll change that as image button. So what is the difference between image view and image button? We will discuss here. So here I'll write that as the image button, right? So here I'll write that as the IB, right? Here, this is the IB, IB. Done. So once it is done, we will see this output. So for this also, we will apply listeners. So that listener should be like the on click listener only we will apply. So it's a simple straightforward listener. It's like how we applied for the button. So in a similar way, we will apply here for this listener. Today it's super running. It is taking too much time. Okay, it is launching. We will see now. While for launching also it is taking too much time, it is launched. It wider is little bit slow. Already in mobile it is launched. You will see that. Here, text is displaying. See 47 by 100, like that. See 62. Maximum it is 100 by 100. So max it is 100 by 100. So, but this max and min values we can change also. How we can change here? So if we want here, we can give that max and min values here for the SeekBar. So this is a SeekBar, right? So for the SeekBar here, we can define min value and max value. Like here, I'm writing the tag as the min. So 10 means it won't select less than 10, and I'm giving the max. So it won't take now more than 30 here. So I will run this. We will see this. I think it won't run in this gap. In case if it will run, we will see. Otherwise, we'll see this output next class, and we'll continue from these images. Means here, like I want to restrict some particular age group, like whatever the app, my registration, I'm allowing my app registration only from the 18 to 30. So like that, I can restrict some of these things. So that can help for this. Okay, it won't run now. We will see this output and tomorrow we'll continue from there next step.